Hey YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel for another video. So today I'm going to be doing a short unboxing with my son Romeo. If you want to see what he's unboxing, please stay tuned and keep watching. Alright guys, you can't see me, but you can hear me from behind the camera. So the item that Romeo is about to unbox is from Walmart.com, and it's something that he really enjoys. So, have to it, Romeo. Door. She's like, I can't wait. She said, hurry up. Or did you say open?
Open it.
I would get the worst thing for him to open the box with. A little scissor. And plus, I think it has that thing in it, right? The little threading.
Yeah.
Want me to get something else? Drum roll, please. What is it? What is it? He got a plush. His plush is so small, you guys. I was trying to get him a pillow like the boys.
His name is Naruto,
but he's a little pillow plush. Not really a pillow, but he's a little plush. Because Romeo loves Naruto. And Sonic.
And anime.
Yeah. Pretty much all anime he loves.
Oh.
So, well, I don't know about all, but a lot of anime. So, where you think you're gonna hang them at? You gotta find a spot.
Yes.
So, if you guys want to follow along with Romeo on his YouTube journey, I'll put his name of his channel right up here. You guys, he's focused. Lift him up, Romeo. Isn't he cute, you guys? Alright, you want to close the video out, Romeo?
Oh.
Don't worry, I got it. Alright guys, thank you for watching our mini unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Peace.